What's up, y'all? Dave here, SI. Just wanted to do a quick little solder job here for y'all. I should have been better prepared, but I'm not. I'm just kind of winging it. I'll show you what it is. It's this little speaker here. I'm fixing for my friend. She don't have no way to listen to music, so I'm sorting her out here with something. And I'll use my helping hands here. Hold this thing up. There we go. Now, basically, I'm just going to put some wire on the end of this. Wow, this tip really needs re-tinned. That magnet is super powerful. Re-tinned. God bless. Magnet keeps drawing the solder. There we go. Now. Now we're going to put a little piece of speaker wire on this. This one right here. There's that.
Always goes. I'll be fine once I get it.
My big clodhopper hands, I can't get in there and do what I need to do, so I'm gonna get the tweezers. Twist it over it, around it like this. And there we go. Now, all you gotta do is add a little bit of oil right here.
Hey, I want this one. I forgot who this is.
Kid Cudi.
Yeah.
Side and we're good. Now,
Look what Aubrey just said.
I am recording, darling.
And they stink. They smell bad, and one of them, oh my God, she said one of them farted and she had to spray her perfume.
That's terrible.
Where is she at?
School, probably.
Yeah, but
That's
on
so
the
funny.
bus or what?
Teenage kids. They're hilarious. Okay, now let's add a little bit more solder and we're done.
Building your online business? Go to Wix.com and set up your store on a single integrated platform. Add products, showcase them dynamically, and seamlessly track your inventory. Accept multiple secure payments and design your storefront down
There
to
we
the
have it,
very
guys.
last detail. Get
Now what
out
we're
to
gonna
the
do,
community. Drive more sales with customizable
we're
gift
going to
cards
reattach
and
our
flexible
speaker over
product
here
subscriptions.
where these crap
Retain customers
wires
with a
are.
point-based loyalty
Let's see.
program, email automations.
We don't know which
and
one's
reach
positive and
millions with
negative, but I'll
sales
get
channel
back to you on
integrations.
that.
Complete your setup with a
But
personalized
follow for more
analytics
part 2.
dashboard.